Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to turn all these houses into the star. That's really great, right? But first let's count how many houses we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 houses. Great! Now let's name all the colors. Blue, yellow, white, pink, orange, and green. Good job, guys! Are you ready to do it with me? Let's do it together. First is a blue house. Okay, I'm going to flatten it out. I don't think it's gonna be enough Play-doh for the star. So I'm going to add some more Play-doh. Good. Now let's make the star. Great. So we have a first star, and it is blue. Yay! Okay, here's our yellow house, and I'm going to add in some more Play-doh. And here's a star. So we have a yellow star. Great! Let's put it to the side. And now we have a white house. I'm going to add in some more Play-doh. Yay! Look at that, guys! Looks great! So I have turned a white house into a white star. Yay! And here's a pink house. And I'm going to add in some more Play-doh. Here's a star. Great! So I have turned a pink house into a pink star. Yay! Okay, the next house is our orange house. And I'm going to add in some more Play-doh. Look at that, guys! Here I have a orange star. So I have turned an orange house into an orange star. Great! Yay! And last one is going to be a green house. And a little bit of Play-doh. Here's a green star. So I have turned a greenhouse into a green star. Yay! Okay, I'm going to rearrange all the stars. Looks great, guys! That's it for the video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!